this is our second annual MedStar Health CPR AED Awareness Month. And this was an incredible opportunity for us to come to the community and to educate participants and empower them to save a potential loved one.
Today, we launched Take 10 Montgomery. The initiative is giving community members the opportunity to learn CPR in just 10 minutes. The first 6 minutes of any cardiac event is the most critical. For every 1 minute that someone's heart is not beating, they're losing a 10% chance of recovering fully.
We found that only 2 out of 10 people knew the proper compression ratio. So when you're going to be doing hands-only CPR, you have to remember it's about 100 to 120 compressions per minute.
You don't have to be the trained professional. You can just get out there, learn the simple skills, and then apply them when you're called on.
I feel like there's the opportunity to just know just a little basic thing. I can push on someone's chest at this rate and at this depth, and I can do something until more advanced care arrives. Knowing that you don't just have to stand there and watch someone go through that or a family go through that or whatever it may be is a huge step in the right direction.
I had to ask 100 times what happened to me. I'd never heard of cardiac arrest. I didn't know what that was. And then to learn later that cardiac arrest is something that people typically die from, and I did not.
It honestly could just take a second to happen to anyone, and you don't want to feel like, oh, well, I could have done something. Just go for it, because you never know the impact it can have.
The best part is just feeling empowered, knowing that if something ever happens, you do have the knowledge and the skill to help.
If we become a heart-safe community, the payoff is chances of survival go up. 10%, that's a lot of lives saved, and that's our mission.
2 important takeaways is that, number 1, you do not need to be certified to perform bystander hand-only CPR. And number 2, you don't have to do mouth-to-mouth. And so this is an important and incredible way that you can help your community and to save a loved one.